Did you know the largest man-made explosion before the atomic bomb happened by complete accident? On December 6, 1917, Halifax Harbor was bustling with wartime activity. The French cargo ship Mont Blanc, loaded with 2,600 tons of explosives, collided with a Norwegian vessel in the narrow channel. The impact sparked fires on Mont Blanc's deck, igniting benzene barrels as the ship drifted toward the city pier. The crew abandoned ship without warning anyone on shore. Curious onlookers gathered at windows and docks to watch the burning vessel. They had no idea what was coming. The explosion instantly vaporized everyone within half a mile. It launched the ship's anchor 2 miles inland and created a 60-foot tsunami. 2,000 people died immediately, 9,000 were injured. The blast was heard 100 miles away.